I love you itu artinya ini. I am committed to you for life. Itu sebabnya I love you, kesejatian kata I love you bukan waktu Melanie deserve to get that. Bukan waktu suamimu perform sebagai suami. Tapi I love you sangat amat terbukti justru waktu pasangan kita menurut perasaan kita tidak layak untuk kita katakan I love you.
And we know that in all things, God works for the good of those who love Him. Because it's this verse that first crossed my mind as we spoke for the first time, 18th of September 2021. And I do believe that it's not by chance that we're brought together, but it's part of God's plan. And in that time, our time together, I saw how God continued to work in all things, in how God works through you for you to be a blessing upon others. So finally today, I look back and I can honestly say that I have nothing but gratitude for you. You've been the greatest thing that's happened to me, such that I can now stand here today and say that indeed, God has worked in all things. And I have truly lived in the goodness of God. Because to me, you are the irrefutable proof that God's been good to me.
About 10 years ago, I started a youth ministry, and we didn't have money to do the work of God. Like we had so many plans, but we didn't have a lot of money. But we tried, and I was new. One day, Reza, who just came back from Germany, comes to me in the basement, and he says, he takes out 50 euros, right? He says, by the way, I just got back and I want to give 50 euros. This is my contribution to the ministry for my first job. And he's like 22, 23. And he doesn't probably remember this moment, but I will forever remember that because that showed me his character.
So no words can express how thankful I am for you, other than this vow. As I stand before God, before you, before the church, that I, Reza, take you, Melania, as my lawfully wedded wife, to cherish and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health. I promise to love and honor you for all my days, to love you as Christ loved you, and to give myself up for you, to lead you in faith and to serve you. I will show you how grateful I am for you from this day on till the day our Father calls us home. I am yours forever.
Hey Res, kamu tahu aku nggak nyiapin apa-apa untuk video kita. Tapi actually I wrote one verse and it's our verse, Romans 28 and 8. It's kind of funny because I put it here. So aku mau bacain dulu. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. From the moment that we have met, aku tahu kalau ayat ini benar-benar bekerja untuk kehidupan kita berdua. Dari awal kita berjumpa, aku tes kamu tentang seberapa dekat kamu bersama Tuhan, pengalaman kamu dengan Tuhan. Kita gali-gali Alkitab sampai akhirnya kita benar-benar menjalani journey ini together. And from that I know that you are my one. You are the one that God sent to be. Aku juga berjanji menjadi istri yang setia, yang selalu takut akan Tuhan dan menjadi tiang doa untuk keluarga kita. Dan saya menerima Reza sebagai suami yang sah, satu-satunya di hadapan Tuhan, di hadapan gembala dan jemaat-jemaat Tuhan.
Yang bagusnya tentang Melanie ini adalah dia bawa Tuhan dalam hidup dia. Itu yang saya belajar sama dia tuh kayak Lin, kalau gue mau ada apa-apa tuh pasti gue berdoa dulu. Gue puasa. Dan Tuhan tuh sayang banget sama Melani. Setiap apa yang dia mau pasti tercapai. Saya percaya kayak Melani tuh diberkati tuh banyak banget berkat-berkat ya untuk Melani. Jadi saya bahagia banget. Ini saya terbang dari Kanada cuman untuk ini. Kalau enggak tuh saya nggak mau pulang bulan Februari, kan musim hujan ya, banjir di mana-mana Jakarta ya, saya nggak mau pulang tadinya.
Ingat, yang waras itu ngalah. Yang saat itu lagi waras, yang saat itu lagi pikirannya benar, mending ngalah aja. Karena dalam pernikahan itu menang kalah sama aja. Yang menang jadi arang, yang kalah jadi abu. Gak ada yang lebih